When in 1993 we decided to give Daniel's book, The Black Experience in Contemporary America, a trial, little did we know that we were moving Wisdom Publications to the leaderboard of publishing outfits in Omaha, Nebraska. Now, the fact that the first and second editions sold thousands of copies, coupled with the feedbacks from readers and instructors, are so encouraging, and so much as to lead to the third edition, which came 7 years later. And not only were all the editions successful, Black studies in higher institutions have enjoyed steady growth in demand and great decline in vulnerability. The third edition went national as against the first two editions, which were mainly marketed locally. And it's now available online. The Black Experience in Contemporary America is expected to enjoy a worldwide coverage very quickly. And we at Wisdom Publication highly recommend you get your copy at www.blackhistoryfacts.info right away.